Hello everyone and welcome back to Coding 101. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to download your Java development kit on Windows. So the first thing that I'll do is search up JDK download Windows and then I'll press enter. So I'll click on the first thing that shows up and then I'll click on JDK download, and now I'll scroll down to the Windows installer right here, and then I'll press on here, and then I'll say that I have read the license agreement, and you can see the license agreement by clicking right here, which is very long, but you need to press the accept button in order to download this development kit. So I've pressed it and now I'll press download. And as you can see, the download will start down here. Alright, so now it has finished downloading. So I'll click here to open it. And it might just take a little while to open. So it will ask the administrator if they would allow this app to make changes to your device. So I'll just click yes. And it might just take another little while for the installer to pop up. Okay, so as you can see, it says that it is preparing to install, and then it'll show the installation wizard. So I'll press next. And then it says that it'll download my Java development kit in this file. And I want it to be here, so I'll just press next. And then it'll start installing. So as you can see, my Java development kit has been successfully installed. So now I'll just press close. And then if I go back to my command prompt, and if I type Java C and press enter, then you should be able to see that it has popped up a whole list of things, and that tells you that you have downloaded your Java development kit successfully. That's all I have for this week's video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and if you have any suggestions for any other videos that you would like to see in the future, then be sure to drop those in the comments. Thanks for watching!